Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install DBeaver latest version, that is 25 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Then we will connect MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects, manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. See here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, Community is the open source version. Click on download. See the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.3. For Ubuntu operating systems we have to download this Linux Debian package. Click on it. See download started and its size is 119 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See download completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, ls. Now install this package, sudo dpkg-i. Just type DBeaver and press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Put the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means community edition. Click on it to open. Close this one. Do you want to create sample database? No. Let me maximize it. Now we will connect the MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Click on this plus button. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. I have already installed MySQL and PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu operating systems. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number 3306. I have the database bank, username root, then provide the password of whatever the user that we are providing here. Then click on test connection. Download MySQL driver files. Click on download. See, successfully connected. Click on finish. Expand connection, expand databases. See here we have these databases, expand users. See here we have these users. If you want to queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. I have the tables. See, I have only one table. Run the query against the table that is there in this database. Then click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, this is the way to connect MySQL server. Now we will disconnect and connect PostgreSQL server. Right click, disconnect, then delete. Are you sure want to delete connection bank? Yes. We will connect PostgreSQL server. Again click on this plus button or go to database and select new database connection. Then select PostgreSQL server. Then click on next. Then localhost is fine. Default port for PostgreSQL server is 5432. I have the user Postgres. Provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Again download PostgreSQL driver files. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.2. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand this connection. I have the database, same bank. Right click, open, go to SQL editor, then open SQL console. Select star from customer. Select the query and click on execute. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 25.3 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay, for more database tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.